Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus RC 350 maintenance light. This simple process helps clear the dashboard reminder after your service. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park and all doors are securely closed. Then, without pressing the brake pedal, press the power button 2 times to turn the ignition to the on position. Now, let's navigate through your vehicle's display. Locate and press the menu button on your center console. Once the menu appears, use your remote touch controller to scroll horizontally to the right until you highlight the settings option. Then, simply press the OK button, which is typically the center dot on your controller, to enter this menu. Within the settings menu, you will need to locate the specific maintenance options. Scroll down the list of choices. If you see vehicle settings, select it. Otherwise, look directly for Schedule Maintenance. Once you find Schedule Maintenance, highlight it and press the OK button to proceed. This will take you to the final step for resetting the reminder. You are almost done. On the next screen, you will be prompted to confirm the reset. Select YES to indicate that you want to clear the maintenance data. Press the OK button once more to finalize your choice. Finally, turn off your vehicle's ignition. When you restart your Lexus RC 350, the maintenance required light should no longer be illuminated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.